Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Debbie's equipment from Rhode Island, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now Debbie wants to have this unit repaired for her granddaughter. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. There is no power. So what we want to do is troubleshoot the main PC boards in the base of the Mickey Mouse lamp. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there's a main power switch at the back of the base of Mickey, and you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging to an electrical outlet. It's just a good idea to have that switch in the off position. The type of electronics that are associated with these type of lamps are pretty delicate, and you want to try to control any power surges if you can. And if the lamp is going to sit for a long period of time, you always want to turn that switch in the off position. Now what we can do is go ahead and start our final checkout. We have the unit plugged into an electrical outlet, and we want to go ahead and reach around and turn the main power switch on the on position.
What a bright idea!
Now we're going to let that sit for a second. It's not a good idea to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Lights out!
We'll give that a second. Turn the lamp back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp off and on. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
We can give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll go ahead and turn Mickey off.
See you real soon.
And we'll turn the lamp on one last time.
Hiya, pal. Nice to see ya.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Debbie, and she can enjoy this Mickey lamp once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.